Here's the outside view of the sunroom that I built. A while ago I wanted to create a DIY version of the commercial shading systems, because it gets very hot in summer and even hot in winter. I get up to about 40 degrees in winter. So I developed over time this system of using core flute sheets 8x4, fitting them to the roof that I've got, which is about 2.1 by 10 meters. Yeah, to stop it from being blown away, I invented a system of battens, top, middle and bottom, to lay the sheets on. And there is a slight curve in the middle one is slightly higher. The top and bottom one have a mouth in them that the core flute slips in. The core flute is about 40 mil too long, so you actually have to flex the sheet to fit it into the top and bottom rails. I've got a rail on the end. The prevailing wind is from the right hand side of the image, and it used to blow the sheets off even with these rails on. So I put a piece of just simple ColourBond right angle cover strip, and I leave a couple of panels on all year over the plants. They find it even too bright with no panels on. And then I've got an area here that hasn't got any on at the moment. You can see the rails. We'll go inside, have a quick look inside. There's the top and bottom rails. This is twin wall polycarbonate roof. The battens are just screwed pretty precisely onto the trusses. I flex the core flute up into the top and bottom rail, and then I attach the custom-made aluminium battens to stop from blowing away. I'm very pleased with the temperature gain. It gets to about 40 degrees in winter, and in summer I have this shading on, and I have the what would you call it, extractor windows open, and these doors open. So it really is quite cool and creates a draft. It's an old house, built in 1943, so double brick tile roof. Great in summer, cold in winter, and that's why I built it. I have actually duct the winter heat from this Sunspace into the house, but that's another story. Yeah, thanks to you for watching.